BYD's journey in Malaysia begins in December 2022 with the launch of the BYD Atto 3. Then, in July 2023, we have witnessed the launch of BYD Dolphin, which is the Soya Chinchow's EV of the Year for 2023. And fast forward to today, in February 2024, here comes the brand new BYD Seal. Jom, let's take a look at this new electric sedan. In Malaysia, the BYD Seal comes in two variants. Yep, two variants, not three variants as per what we have heard prior to the launch event. So, okay, first you have the Seal Premium. It comes with a rear wheel setup and a single 230 kilowatt electric motor, which is equivalent to 309 horsepower. The electric motor also produces 310 Newton meter of torque, and this allows the Seal to go from 0 to 100 km/h in under 6 seconds. Then, you also have the four-wheel drive variant, the Seal Performance, equipped with two motors with total output of 390 kilowatt, that is 523 horsepower, mind you, and a 0 to 100 km/h timing of 3.8 seconds. Both models have the same 82.5 kWh battery, as well as 150 kilowatt DC fast charging capability and 7 kilowatt AC charging. There's also vehicle to load capability, but their range is slightly different. The Seal Premium has a WLTP rated range of 570 km, but the Seal Performance, which is a bit more powerful, has a WLTP rated range of just 520 km, which is still quite respectful. When it comes to the interior, the BYD Seal certainly not as bombastic as the Atto 3, and I can assure you it is definitely more premium than other BYDs in Malaysia so far. There are leather seats with diamond pattern stitches, felt sweat and leather on the door panel as well as dashboard, and the Seal definitely have an amazing headroom as well as massive legroom for rear passengers. Yes, there's still the self-rotating screen on Seal, which is a really great party trick. However, compared to the other BYDs in Malaysia so far, the Seal screen is much bigger at 15.6 inch. The Seal also offers a much larger 10-inch digital instrument cluster than what you get in Dolphin and Atto 3. The version that I'm driving here is the Seal Performance. From my first driving experience, I can tell you that the suspension felt stiffer than the Atto 3 and Dolphin, but not to the extent that felt uncomfortable. It's still pretty comfortable for both drivers and passengers, but I can definitely assure you this car is really exciting for drivers out there. Just one tip from what I experienced during driving the car, to really unleash the power on the performance model, because so far we only tried the performance model, turn on the sport mode as well as the intelligent torque adaptation control, or ITAC. But first, make sure that you can control the car, but once you turn on these two options, you can just let it rip. Before we wrap up, let's talk about the pricing. You can get the BYD Seal Premium at around 180,000 ringgit, while the BYD Seal Performance is slightly higher at around 200,000 ringgit. So in general, the pricing puts the BYD Seal in the same league as per Tesla Model 3. Well, what do you think? Will BYD disrupt the EV market in Malaysia once again with the brand new BYD Seal? And which one would you choose? The BYD Seal or the Tesla Model 3? Let us know in the comment section below, and please stay tuned for more EV content here at soyachinchao.com. My name is Chief Chapree, and I'll see you in the next one.